What's up, guys? We're back with more Talaria content. Beautiful day. We're standing underneath the high-level bridge in Lethbridge, and we're gonna go for a ride. We're on a nice trail right now. It's haven't been on this one in a long time, and I'm pretty sure at the end of it there's a nice little downhill segment with some jumps and some hips, and we'll see what we can do. It is a little bit different jumping this Talaria than jumping a normal mountain bike. I find that, at least I'm not used to motocross, so it's just maybe just a little bit different for me, but I'm not used to how much the back end springs up when you go off of a jump. You go off of a jump and you have to lean back so much. It feels so unnatural because it just wants to shoot forward. I mean, it's just something to get used to for sure, but I think once I do get used to it, it'll be fine. It's just the fact of getting used to that spring. I mean, you go off of a jump and your back end just kicks out like crazy, and yeah, it's kind of sketchy. I almost went over the front of my bike. I did a jump not too long ago, and yeah, it was a real eye-opener. It was really close. Still haven't fallen yet though, knock on wood. Still haven't fallen yet. Oh man, still like the sport mode, riding in sport mode is awesome. It feels so nice. Just be able to power up anything you want. I mean, it feels really, I don't know, it's still really squirrely because of the weight. When you get to the top acceleration, it's still kind of hard to control, at least for me, but I'm getting more used to it, so that's great. But we're here at El Matador, and this is a pretty gnarly trail. We'll see what we can do on it. Still getting used to this new bike. My confidence is okay. It's not as high as it is on my mountain bike, that's for sure, but we'll see how fast we can do it. Get a little bit of air. Here's the first jump. Whoa, oh yeah. Here's a hip right here. Oh, that was sick. That was real sick. Avoid that massive rock. For some reason, I don't know what it is, hikers have been putting massive rocks on these, on these trails to try and deter mountain bikers from riding, which is crazy. Like, why would you put a massive boulder in the middle of a trail around a blind corner when someone's coming down on a bike? Like, that is just, I think that's just absolutely insane to me. Whew. And yeah, I don't know. It's a real dick move though, that's for sure. Luckily I went up this trail, so I cleared all the big rocks already. That's not a problem. All right, that was a pretty good start. That was a pretty good start. El Matador is always a fun ride. Now we're gonna go across the bridge to the other side, and we're gonna try and find some jumps to hit. I gotta get more used to hitting jumps on this thing, so we'll see how it goes. We're here at, this is called the Deadfall. It's got a bunch of really nice, decent sized jumps, not huge. Just perfect for learning how to jump this bike. And I've done a few practice runs and I'm actually getting not bad. So let's try it again here. Let's see how it goes. Oh yeah, that feels great. Let's hit that one more time. One more time and then we should go. Outstay our welcome. Feels good though, honestly. Feels really good. Now that I know that I had to lean back like a lot to keep the front end from diving down, as long as I lean back, it seems to be working pretty well. Just gotta coast for this first part. It's perfect speed for this. And then you gotta just give it a bit of a throttle every one. Fuck, that's addicting. Honestly, that's pretty fun. Check that out. One more time, you know? One more. Feels so nice. It's hard to stop. Hard to stop. So yeah, the first one, you just got to coast down this hill, no throttle. The second one, you can get away without any throttle. The third one, you definitely need a little bit. And then the fourth one, you need a lot. And that's just because of the regen on this bike. Even at level 1 regen, it still has quite a bit of braking. But oh yeah, that's nice. Oh, that feels good. Ooh. One thing I'll tell you is I am getting used to this bike. Very used to it. Starting to flow with it. Well, that's it. I just wanted to show you guys some of these jumps we got down here. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. All right, see you next time.